Breaking news coming in, even as India is fighting the second wave of COVID-19, Niti Aayog has now come out and said that there is no impact that is going to be seen on the agriculture sector as far as second wave of COVID-19 is concerned. There was no impact on the sector in the first wave either last year, but this time around there were concerns that the agriculture sector might take a hit as villages and the hinterland in the country were severely affected. But now Niti Aayog has come out and dismissed those concerns. Mohit is with us for more on this. Yes, Mohit.
Well, you see, Niti Aayog member of Agriculture, Ramesh Chand, has come out and he has clearly said that the second wave of COVID-19 will not impact the Indian agriculture sector anyway. It's a strong message coming in from the Niti Aayog, and Niti Aayog is the body which makes the policy planning, and they have clearly said that the second wave will not have any impact on the agriculture sector. And also, he has stated that that India also needs to make policy on procurement and MSP favorable to pulses. Indian policies on subsidy, price and technology have remained too much in favor of wheat and sugarcane and rice, and also India now need to make policies for procurement and MSP favorable to the pulses. So a message has come out from the Niti Aayog that what exactly would be their plan of action, and they have also stated that the second wave of COVID-19 will not have any impact on the agriculture sector.
Right, some sigh of relief there coming to the fore for the moment. Mohit, thank you so much for getting us those details. With that, it's a wrap from me on this edition of the news. But don't forget to tune in at 1 p.m. We have an exclusive news break lined up for you.